Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove green screen in CapCut PC or laptop. So if you want to remove the green screen from your videos, like you have some animations like subscribe buttons or something like that, and you want to remove the green screen from them and you don't know how to do this, don't worry, I will show you how to do this. So this is a really easy tutorial. So watch this video till the end to understand this properly. So first of all, you just have to open the CapCut application, and in CapCut you just have to import the video you want to remove the green screen from. Like you can see, there are three videos I imported, and this is the video I want to remove the green screen from. And now you can add it on your timeline. There are two ways to add this on the timeline. You can see this little plus icon here. If you tap on this will be added in your timeline. Now you can see these three are added in my timeline because I just selected these three, so I don't want these two videos here. I just going to delete it, and now this video is here. And the second way is you just can drag it into your timeline like this. So these are the two ways to import the video in your timeline. So now you can see this is the green screen and subscribe button. So I just want to remove this green screen from the video. What can I do is, so you just have to tap on the video, like select the video, and then you will see this kind of interface. In the right side there are a lot of options: video, audio, speed, animation, tracking, and adjustment. As we want to remove the green screen, we just have to work on this video option. And in video you can see there are also options like basic, cutout, mask, and enhance. So we want to go for this cutout, and now you will see there are two options: auto cutout and chroma key. So if you are using green screen, we can remove the green screen from this chroma key, but if you want to remove the background without green screen, you have to go for this auto cutout. So in this video there is a green screen, so we just have to tap on this chroma key and now tap on this color picker. Now you just have to drag this on your video on the green screen, tap on it, and after this just slide this strength, and you can see this our green screen has been removed. You can play with this shadow as well to clarify things, and now if you can see, our green screen has been removed. So now if I just add another video on my timeline like this, you can see our green screen has been removed and our subscribe animation is ready. So that is how easily you can remove the green screen from any video. I hope this video was helpful. If you like the video, please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.